Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. In this video we are going to unbox one more product. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video.
So this is the Zenfone Max Pro. It is having Snapdragon 660, 5000 mAh battery and a Gorilla Glass 6 covering. Okay, let me just remove this plastic. It is having 6.3-inch screen at the back, this fingerprint scanner and the dual camera setup, the power on off button, the volume rockers. Here is a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. This is the SIM tray. .5 headphone jack, speaker and a charging slot. You can put your 2 nano SIM and a 1 micro SD card in this SIM tray. I have just finished the setup of this device, and one thing I noticed here that this Zenfone Max Pro is actually a fingerprint magnet. You can see a lots of fingerprints here. The screen quality is really nice and we are getting 6.3-inch full HD screen. Okay, let's go to settings. Battery. The battery is about 55% charged right now and it is having a 5000 mAh battery. Let's see storage. Okay, so out of 64 gigabytes of storage, 9.78 GB is used. The 15% storage is used. Okay, let's look at the camera. The shutter speed is nice, the camera quality is good. So let's look at the Android version. We are getting Android 8.1, which is the Oreo. So we are getting Oreo out of the box. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you liked and enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.